is our second day. As you can see from around us, nothing but snow. A good foot, 2 feet in a lot of places. We are now nearing, after what, about an hour's journey, would you say? On the bus? About that?
We had a stop along the way,
yes.
so.
At a horse. What was it? Like a horse
show?
Yeah, it's like a horse show place. But we actually got.
I don't know. It does
got to see Icelandic horses. I'm so excited. I can't even put it together. Yes, that's what we saw. I got to pet them. So adorable. But it was still dark then, because as we said yesterday, it doesn't get daytime really till So we are now walking towards a waterfall. I wanted to vlog on the way there because we'll obviously be completely like awestruck by the time we get there. Can hear the waterfall. Excuse us, we've just had a sandwich, really rushed on the way. But can hear them over the hill once we get there. It'll be breathtaking. So prepare yourselves, everybody. Prepare yourselves. Let's just do a scope here. You can't see the sky. There's little people. There's a van doing whatever it's doing over there, but you can't see anything. There's Maddie. You ready, Maddie?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Serious moment. Without this lady, the conservation of this waterfall wouldn't have been made possible. Because they turned it into a national park. Without that, it was after she died, but it took her a long time of protesting on her own to get it done.
Single-handed.
So, there we go. So it is to you, thank you, that we are seeing this awesome spectacle today. Okay, second destination of the day. You saw Gullfoss, the amazing waterfall of beauty. Now a little lower down and warmer. We're now at Geysers. So here they are steaming behind us. We're going to go have a look and await them blasting. It's such a different area, like
it's so unreal now.
The greenness of it all. And a little thing we were told by the tour director was that Reykjavik is so cold because when they found it, there was the geysers steaming, and Reykjavik translated means smoky bay. So there you go. We're gonna go and have a look now. Let's go!
Again when you return. Now it is in a plus position.